Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to install Ubuntu 25.10 on Oracle VirtualBox, the latest version of Ubuntu operating system for desktop PCs and laptops. Ubuntu 25.10 comes with 9 months of security and maintenance update until July 2026. So until July 2026 we will get the security updates and maintenance. To install the Ubuntu 25.10, we need the ISO file and we will download it here. So it is being downloaded and it will take 3 hours to download or maybe less time. So it will take around 20 minutes on my machine to download. I will pause the video and come back again once it is downloaded. Ubuntu ISO is downloaded. Now I will move this downloaded file to another directory. So we have Ubuntu 25.10 desktop AMD 64-bit ISO, and we will use this for installing Ubuntu 25.10 on Oracle VirtualBox. So let's start the Oracle VirtualBox and click on New. Ubuntu 25.10. Click Next, and I will increase the memory to and CPU to let's 8 CPU. Click Next. Then disk size is around 100 GB. Click Next and finish the installation. Finish. Now go to the settings and storage, and here select the ISO file. My file is in C:/Linux images directory. So I'll go to Linux images directory and select 25.10 desktop ISO. OK. Go to again settings, display, increase the video memory. OK. Now start. The installation should start now. Now the installation is try or install Ubuntu. Installer is started. Click Next. Install Ubuntu. Active installation. Default selection. Install third-party software and download. Install support for additional media formats. Next. It is going to erase the disk. Virtual disk. Select the option erase disk and install Ubuntu. Next. No encryption. Click Next. Account user 1. Password is India. And finally click on install button. Ubuntu 25.10 is being installed. It comes with all the application that we need. Comes with Spotify, Shortcut, Telegram, Nextcloud, and so on. It comes with open source software for development, Visual Studio Code, IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, Git, Perken. I'll pause the video and come back again once the installation is completed. Ubuntu 25.10 is installed successfully and ready to use. Now we have to restart. It is started. Now I will log in. So this is the nice logo of Ubuntu 25.10. Next, finish. So Ubuntu is ready to use. And next, install the disk edition. Click on run auto run and run as program. We run as a sudo pzip2 is not installed. Now it is installing VirtualBox guest edition. It is saying please install GCC make Perl before installing this. In next video, I will show you how you can install GCC make Perl packages on your system and then install the VirtualBox guest edition. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.